folks, here we are out at Susie's Bar again. We're just heading out. It's just turned 9 o'clock. We've had a lot of comments on both mine and Jerry's channel. We shot a video up there in Khao San Road, and they all sort of come back and they said, shoot it at night, it's much better. So we're off to Khao San Road, okay? So check it out. Okay, we thought about it. We're going to head to the MRT and get a train there, better than get a taxi. A bit easier than trying to get a taxi from this location. Oh my God. Sam Yacht Station. I'm glad they got escalators here, seriously. You wouldn't want to walk up those stairs. It's a long way down. And that's only to the first level. We came from the bottom. That's another same distance again. Okay, so we're outside the Sam Yacht here. Now we're just going to wait for a taxi. There's a taxi here. Maybe he can stop us. No, he's not going to. He's not even, no, he's got his light on, he's got passengers there. That's something you'll get here in Thailand quite often. They forget to turn that light off. Okay, here's one. He's got his light on.
If he doesn't open the window.
By Khao San Road, Cup? Okay, no problem. I'll get in the front. Okay, good. He's good. Okay. Khao San Road. We picked up an extra guest. What's your name anyway, buddy?
My name's Chris.
G'day Chris, how you doing?
I'm from Canada.
Canada?
Oh, we're Canadian,
it's amazing the people you meet here. Well, we made it. Khao San Road at night time. There we go. That's where we're heading. This way. You ready? That's okay. We're good.
Oh, he gave us some money.
Oh, okay, good. Okay. This way, that way. So I need to start out and say, yeah, like, if you want to check out the daytime views, here's a link for the last video we were at, doing Khao San Road in a day. And of course, if you wait another 5 seconds for it to, there's another link for the last, the previous time that we were at Khao San Road. But yeah, it's a lot different here than it was in the daytime, isn't it? It's a different place altogether. It is packed, teeming, and all the street food you can eat, really. Yummy.
Wazza, this ain't the daytime Khao San Road that we know.
No, this is different, and it's got copyright music. I should also probably add, if we had more Patreon and members in our channel, I wouldn't be worried so much about the few cents you get from all the views from all their advertising on YouTube. But yeah, the copyright music, the money goes to them, not to me, seriously. And what do? They're just background music. That's the way YouTube works. So like, don't forget, we've got a Patreon and membership. We've got extra videos for you guys as well, so stick around. The place is certainly packed, that's for certain, and there's this definite aroma in the air that, if you know what I mean. Some people don't like it. I can take it or leave it. But, yeah, you know what I mean. I'm not going to talk about it. There's a lot of cabbage in this area. All the side street stalls are still here, so it's pretty much what we saw in the daytime, but a lot more people. A bit of a buzz going on as well. And again, if you do come here at night or any time, don't forget a lot of little hideaway side streets as well for all your bargains. You get the main street, that's where you pay high price. Check out the side streets there, you usually find a bit of a better discount. Still from Halloween last night, still going for it. guys, Now one of the things about Khao San Road not many people know of, right, this is Khao San Road, but the street next to us, just north of us, is actually a better street. We're going to go and check out that next. There's a little bit more Thai, a little bit more relaxed. This place is an absolute madhouse, seriously. But yep, when it comes to street food, there's plenty of street food here. So what's this, the tuk-tuk mafia, is it? How many tuk-tuks here? Seriously. What are these? Oh my God, so cute. Hello, hello. Oi. Hey. Cutie, cutie. I want one. Take home.
I got to admit, that's one of the crazier places I've been in a long, long time.
Well, it's
much nicer or better than I expected it to be.
Yeah, well, it's not even tourist season. That's what we get in non-tourist. Okay, well, tourist season just starts now.
Yeah.
It's just started, yeah. The rainy season just finished. Tourist season started, yeah. Even though it rained today, obviously the weather department didn't get the memo from the government or whatever. No idea how that works, but yeah. We're off to the next street, show you the next street as well. This is actually quite an interesting street to actually check out. Good restaurants here from what I've been told. So we're only 50 yards away from Khao San Road. It's a lot more relaxed already. It's amazing how the throngs gravitate to one area. So there we are, Ratan Rambut 3. Yeah, this is the other side that just comes around here, but it's a lot more relaxed, a lot more street food, a lot more restaurants, a little bit more personable. We're still quite busy. Market competition, yeah, so hummingbird, cannabis from LA, Thai cannabis dispensary. Talk about 7-Elevens sitting up one another beside each other, but yeah, it's gone crazy when it comes to ganja shops, seriously. Never seen the rain. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Sing, Jerry, sing. Of course, visual impressions, it's a lot more relaxed here, it really is. Just as many street vendors here as well. And don't forget, oh my God, what the?
No video.
Oh my God, spider. Yeah, don't worry about the no video stuff. They're not even supposed to be there. They don't have a license to sell anything. They give you the rules, don't they? Well, I must admit, you know, the story I was told, the fact that they have a lot more restaurants in this street, and I have to agree. Lots more restaurants here. So yeah, come to Khao San Road, but eat in the street above. They look a lot more tidier. Each restaurant seems to have gone out of their way to give it a very homely feel, make you feel comfortable. Not like Khao San Road. I also think it drives home the point about YouTube. Like, everybody films Khao San Road because, you know, it clicks, you know, because Khao San Road is searched for people around the world. They don't search for this road, but this road seriously is better. And this is the trouble you get with YouTube. Like, you know, what do you put in your titles to get the views, you know? Because I'm sure a lot more people would want to know about this street as opposed to Khao San Road. I think Jerry got lost there. Plenty of tattoo places around, but that's just oh, more crocodile. And there we have it. We've done the full loop between the two streets. Give you a bit of an idea of the location. Put it on your map, as they say. It's going to be a lot of fun. Bring your money with you. Okay, we're going to head back to Khao San, grab a beer and then head home. And of course we're now on this street here, and it just amazes me how everybody gravitates to one area. Back to where we started. Now we're just got to find somewhere to grab an aperitif, slack drink, a bit of a walk. Time to get a drink. So I noticed the bar we were at that we usually drink at, that was full.
Well, you might get us a signature.
Or find another one. The guy behind you wants to be a YouTube star. Where's your YouTube channel?
YouTube channel. From Thailand.
Khao San Road, Friday night.
Beer's good at this time of night. I see they got a rooftop bar up here called Rocco.
Look at that Rocco. That's where we were.
That was where, yeah, that was Rocco. This is another Rocco. Might check that out one day. Well, boys and girls, we're getting to the witching hour. I got to get a public transport home, so I'm out of here. The Rocco Club.
Yeah, let me hear you.
And here's me thinking the Hulk was indestructible. Not in Thailand, unfortunately. I'd like to also add, just as a final closing remark, walk down the street if you want to get a taxi. Don't get them at the head because, yeah, again, the taxi mafia. Anyway, guys, peace out. I hope you enjoyed that little video, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.